Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Your akhlaq, meaning manners, follow you wherever you go. The closest to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Jannah are the best in akhlaq. Islam goes to the heart, not just skin deep. A bearded man or a niqabi woman is not a good Muslim if he or she is rude, mean, boastful, selfish, inconsiderate, abusive, etc. Salat is easy because it's so short. Maintaining akhlaq is more challenging because it reflects who you really are inside 24/7. So guard your akhlaq, self reflect, and try to improve on the shortcomings. Inshallah. Strive to be someone who will be close to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Jannah. May Allah guide us to better akhlaq. Amin ya Rabbil Alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.